Hey guys, welcome back to Cruiserman's Invention. So we're gonna do a hill climb test on the washing machine trike um, at the moment in this video. So under here, things that I was trying to explain in the last video was I needed to re-tack weld these here on and get this realigned. I took off the whole axle, rebuilt new sleeves under here and put it all back together, and seems to be pretty good. So as I explained, that this here is under 100 volts now, so it should be okay. So I thought maybe a hill climb test might be the way to go. Okay, so oh yeah, we've still got that in view. So what I'm going to do, guys, is put you in my pocket, and once again I'm going to try and get the best possible view. Do I think that this thing can get up the hill? Well, we're about to see. No, not really. I have my doubts. Okay, so here we go, guys. We're on an 800 watt controller, brushless, 48 volts, but I've got 72 volts of batteries in there. I changed out the capacitors for 80 volt ones up to 100 volt ones. I've got a fan on here, and that's my drive motor. So yeah, okay, guys. So once again, this is going to be tricky for me, but let's just see. I got a meter down here. This tells me my volts. And I'll be telling you along the way, okay? And then down here, this is going to tell me my distance and my speed. This ain't the distance test though, but I'll tell you anyways as we're going along, okay? So let's hit the systems on, hit the fans on. We have at the clock here, we have 76.4, okay, 76.4 volts, DC battery power at 10 amps. Okay, so we're gonna hit it now, guys. See if we can climb up this hill, right? Okay, and then we're gonna see how much power we've got left when we get to the top of the hill, if we can even get that far. Okay. So at the moment we're just doing about 30 k's, and the charge clock down here says 73 volts, and the speed down here says 31. It should be faster. I don't know why it's not faster. This is why I reckon it can't get up the hill. It's down to 69 volts. We're about to see, guys. I think this is gutless. It's got no power. Oh my god. Here we go. No. 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 It's crawling up here. Oh my god. Come on, baby. Oh, this is what I thought might happen. Now my volts have dropped down to 69.9, and I'm only doing 18 kilometers. So yeah, this is kind of painstakingly climbing the hill, guys. And at this stage it's not much of an incline, so I'm just sort of taking it easy a little bit. Trying to build up a bit of speed here. Okay, opening up the throttle a little bit more. Do I think it's too high geared? It could be a little bit too high geared for what power this motor has to deliver. Definitely. But hopefully we can get a good run on the way back down. I'm purposely dropping off some volts so I can show you the charging side of it as well, guys. Okay, so we're doing 23 Ks, 28, 27. Not very fast because we're going uphill. Charging's back down to 45 volts. And this is my main battery juices are 69 volts. coming to a stop. So our max speed coming up the hill was only 31 k's, and yeah. So how much have we got? We got still 73.8 on the clock up here, guys. And so what we're gonna do? It can't get up the hill anymore. It just won't do it. Nah. I think the actual controller's kind of conked out a little bit because I think it's overheated. Let's just turn around for a little bit, get off the road, and just turn this controller off for a little bit. The fan's on. Fan's on, cooling this down. Oh yeah, it's very, very hot. I think I only just kind of saved it. Very, very hot, guys. So yeah, do I think it's the most economicalist of motors? No, I don't. Well, I don't know yet. That's what this test is all about, right? But really taking it from my other ones, the alternator tests, that yeah. This controller's just heating up way too much. I think it's trying to cool down now. Give it a hand. Alright, cool. Alright, we're going to go back down now. And then we're going to hit that regen button down here. And see how much volts. Okay, we're on, turn the systems on. Up here we're on 74.3. So we're going to try and get more than that on the way down, okay? So here we go. I'm going to try and take off. Here we go. Yep, we're off again. We're going to try and pick up some speed. We're going back down the hill now, guys. Maybe this controller doesn't feel so good. We're about level at the moment. Level, doing about 33.3 k's, and the charge volts are about up to 80 volts down here of DC power. Hopefully we can tuck the charge on right now. Okay, checking the charge on at 72 volts. And I'm trying to look at the screen over here. 74, 74.1, 74.2, 74.1. Okay. Did it change any? Hang on. No, it's still at 74. Still at 74, so that wasn't really a good downhill blast for regen. But anyway, let's do it. Let's keep going. I don't know how far we can actually go on this. So at the moment, I wouldn't have done very many Ks, probably a couple of Ks or something. Not that much in distance. So I guess that's why I was saying in my other video, would I change this for an alternator? Yeah, definitely. Alternator's way better. It's way faster, more distance. Yeah. We're only making about 63 volts at 27 Ks down here. So checking regen on. Probably won't do anything at this speed. Okay, and off. See, that's the other problem. It won't take off again. Like, the thing's too hot now, and it won't actually take off. So, interesting, eh, guys? I don't know where we are for minutes, but I thought I'd just run this test with you, and so that you could see. Now I'm gonna have to walk this thing back. Yeah, she is hot. Okay, so I can feel that controller. It's real warm. Let's just get up here a little bit, guys. So I'm off the road. All right. So Yeah. Woo. Yeah, she's hot. Let's have a look at our distance. Alright. I'll just tell you, it was only 3 kilometers. It has more up the spout. It still has 73.8 volts on the clock. It can do more. It could probably do up to 6 or something kilometers. But the thing is, the controller's heating up. So, not good. Not good. And that's the failure right there, I guess. But, oh geez, I'd just love to put an alternator over here, guys, and just even take this one off. Just have freewheel. Beautiful. Top speed was only 35 kilometers. So, yeah, well, I guess there's no need to actually do a distance test on this, guys, because you can kind of see for yourself that it will only do about 6 kilometers on the one charge of 72 volts worth of that's 6 of those 10 amp hour 12 volt batteries linked in series. So, interesting all the same. The concept is cool, and this is the only one on YouTube. So, cool, guys, still worked out, and it's still cool. Awesome stuff, guys. What's in my time? Yeah, I better cruise off before I lose this video. Awesome stuff, guys. I'm gonna update this. Woo, it's gonna be even faster. Cool. See you in the next vid, guys. Cruiser Man out.